How to update Davinci Resolve 60. If you want to download the new program of the Davinci Resolve, you can input to blackmagic.com/product/Davinci Resolve. Okay, you can download and click. You can choose Mac OS, Windows, Linux. In version 3, you can delete Davinci Resolve 16 innovative tool editing includes your version. Okay. Single. You can download. If you install either your computer, you can open Davinci Resolve. Open Davinci Resolve and click Wait. The program is loading and running. Dialog program for step use. New project or edit project. Wait. If your computer still alive, you can wait and wait and wait and click wait. Coming. Okay, let's go. You can double click in untitled project and go to Davinci Resolve and click check for update. Click now. You can check in. This new version, a new version of Davinci Resolve is available. Current version Davinci Resolve is beta and last version 16.51.51. Okay, it's about Davinci Resolve 16.1 software. The free include all the same high quality processing as Davinci Resolve 16.1 Studio and has unlimited resolution video file. Okay, what's new in Davinci Resolve? Improve renders. Okay. And I don't know. And make minimum system required for Mac 16 GB of RAM and recommend 32 GB. Davinci desktop. Okay. Minimum for the Windows. Same. Mac OS same. And you can minimum request Linux. 32 minimum. Okay. Don't worry. Let's go. Download. Okay. Okay. And I will close it. Load Davinci Resolve. Wait for the download. About 1.3 GB. Download the hard disk. Second minute. Okay, open. Right click and open and show in folder and enter it here. Okay, open your folder Davinci Resource 16.51.51 Video 8e. You can right click and install as administrator and click it, and click it. Okay, or you can select Firelight Audio, okay, audio, Firelight Studio, okay, I don't have Progress SL 9.5, okay, install and prepare. So I need to install this. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Permanent install. Okay, prepare while you set up inside progression to guide you on installing. Okay, next agree. Great lesson. Next, and choose using keep vision folder for program. Next, install and click it. Wait and wait. I just click my div update component and remove shortcut for create a new shortcut. And remove backup file update component registration in my computer. Update component, copy new file. Okay, you can finish. You don't show. Okay, don't show. Stop. Don't see result keyboard install. Keyboard formatter. Repeat again and again. Okay, after wait for the install. Okay, I can wait again. Okay, finish. Stop. No. Stop. Okay. No. Okay. Enter. Then you can click close or finish. And let's stop. You can okay. Davinci Resource. You can just open program file. Davinci Resource. Open file ABC. Let me see. Let me see result. You can see. Let me see result. It's bad magic. Baby, black magic. Okay, inside. Let's see result. That's 64 bit. Okay. Let me see result. Okay, you can. Okay, result. Result. Double click for open. I didn't write overall. Click okay. Wrong. Oh, looking for control surface 3090 the magic design. Oh, different game freeze. Okay, open again. And about Davinci result, you can 60. Okay, you can check for not available or largest version. Okay, thank you for watching. See you again next trip. Thank you. Good night.